Could you double your income in the next 12 months without going back to school for 4 years? In HVAC, yes, you can. You can train online at your own schedule and finish certified in as little as 12 weeks. You walk into a market with 38,000 openings every year, and you can start earning between $60,000 to $100,000 a year with zero debt attached to any of it. After a few years of experience, a lot of HVAC technicians go out on their own. A small operation running with 2 or 3 technicians can pull in $40,000 to $60,000 in revenue every single month. People spend years looking for a faster path to a better income, and this one has been sitting right here the whole time. Click the link in my bio or comment trades below, and I will teach you how to get started.